Hi everyone. Well, you know what? Today is the day that everybody gets to see my tree over here. Yes, I'm going to be having it on my video today. Also going to be doing a little decorate with me over here on my secretary hutch. I'm going to do the whole room tour here of my formal living room and a little peek outside of what it looks like at night through the window and inside. So let's get started. Well, I've already added some stuff to the top of the secretary hutch. I have my 2 nutcrackers and a tree that actually coordinates with them. And I'm kind of doing more of a white, silver, and gold theme over on this piece. And I will be adding some pops of red in here too. And I just added about 3 greenery picks up there. And I'm going to decorate the shelves. I'm mainly going to do the middle shelf and then just one corner of the shelf above and below the middle shelf. Now I've added a couple of greenery picks that have green leaves and the red berries, and there is some snow on the berries. I know it's a little hard to see. Now I've hung these glass ornaments and they're just hanging from the branches of the greenery. I decided to add a little bit of gold in here, so I have these gold glittered picks. I put 3 up there. Now I'm going to add some more ornaments. And I have some gold and bronze ornaments I put up here, and I also added a few more of the berries with the snow on them. Now I'm going to be decorating that middle shelf here. I added a couple of greenery picks, and I have this beaded garland that is gold and red. And I'm just going to add a few ornaments in here. I have these snowflake ornaments. They are gold and silver colored, and I just have them tucked in the greenery. And here are some nutcracker ornaments. I actually have these nutcracker ornaments placed in my tree, so I was just kind of tying that in with the nutcracker theme over here. And I did add a couple of berries in there with the snow on them. Okay, so this is what I've done. I've also added another nutcracker ornament here with the snowflake ornament and some greenery and berries. And then this shelf I did the same thing. I have another ornament up there with the nutcracker and the snowflake. And I also added that garland like down below. So here is how everything turned out up here. And you know, I love these nutcrackers. I got them at Home Goods a couple years ago with the tree. And they're not the same brand, but they did coordinate nicely. And I do like the garland that I added up here with the gold and red beads like below. I thought it needed a little bit more touch of red. Alright, so here is how it's looking. It's a little hard to get in here because the tree is right behind me, so I have to do everything more on an angle. Now, next, I'm going to show the whole room tour. Well, I hope that everybody enjoyed the video today, and hopefully here soon, fingers crossed, I can get some more videos up of my decorating. I am so far behind on my decorating. It's just been so hectic. Been having some deliveries coming this week, and we had to take my husband's car in to get the door scrape fixed. I don't know how many days they're gonna have that. Like I said, I'm still trying to get the master closet done, of course. So I'm gonna have a video, should have that video up tomorrow for you to see on that. And I just really want to get my kitchen and family room done. So I'm excited to get that Mackenzie Childs inspired wreath done to show you. And I'm gonna be doing a little centerpiece in my kitchen for the island that I will do a video on that. So I think that's about all there is coming up. Hopefully in the next 2 weeks, the rest of this week and next week, I'll have all my decorating videos, and then I can do a home tour. I don't know if I'm gonna do anything else out on my front porch yet. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe, if I can do it this weekend and get that done, that'd be great. Yeah, it sure would. So I wanna thank everybody for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really love for you to hit that subscribe button and to make sure you hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos. And I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.